Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living in Country. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of our newly built tiny home and taking you guys on a sneak peek of what's to come and sharing with you guys all the rooms. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tour it today. So here we have our cute little tiny home, and this plan is inspired by the Southern Living beachside bungalow. We wanted a house plan that really matched our existing home right here. So this is going to look very similar to that, with the same green, the same dormers, and the same feel. Everything feels very even and cohesive. The whole home plan is very welcoming, and that's something that we really enjoy about it. So let's go in. Here we are. This is actually the living room area of the tiny home. We have 10-foot walls, 15-foot ceilings, and everything just feels so spacious. When we lived in our tiny home, we had vaulted ceilings like this, and honestly, I feel like it's how we were able to live in it even longer. It just felt a little less tiny, to be honest. I'll link that tour below just in case you guys haven't seen it. It was one of our very first videos on this channel about 6 years ago, and so it's a fun one and I love looking back on it. Here's where we have the sofa going, and I think we're gonna put a cute little accent chair right over here. I'll share with you guys a little later what's happening with this wall. And one thing we decided to do with this house plan was make sure that there was plenty of wall space, since in our existing home, that's something that really is lacking, is wall space. And so we wanted areas to share decorating, but also functional decorating. So that'll be fun to share with you guys how we style this space in this home. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And I'm gonna take you guys over to this doorway. I'm still on the lookout for antique doors or having just one antique door. And this is going to be where the washer and dryer goes. And we're trying to still figure out if we want to do an all-in-one or a stackable one. So if you guys have any suggestions, let us know in the comments down below, and maybe this will help other people watching too if they're trying to figure out what they want to do. We wanted to go with the all-in-one so that there's more storage space. As you guys can see, it's vaulted, and so there's going to be a lot of extra storage space for things that are like keepsakes or anything like that, since there won't be a garage. So that was something that we really thought about with the vaulted ceilings as well. Now over here, we have another little storage space. We have our water heater, which usually is fairly large, but we're gonna be doing the tankless water heater, which maximizes the storage space, which we are very excited about. So lots of shelves will go in here. It's going to be able to store lots of just everyday goods in this space. And so honestly, we really are prioritizing storage space in this home, since we also don't have it in that home. So something to think about when you're building. I'm gonna take you guys over to this wall that I was talking about before. It is such a beautiful wall. I plan on doing a cool DIY where I'm gonna take the existing TV and do a fun little DIY frame with it. We actually own the frame TV with a cute little frame on it, but we're needing something a little bit more affordable, and so that's the option that we're gonna go with. And then we're gonna have an adorable console table underneath, and have some cute family photos and decorate it just really beautifully. So I'm excited for this space. And above it, we're actually gonna have a mini split. Now we have one in our home, and I don't think I could ever build a home without a mini split again, because our electricity bill is absolutely phenomenal. So we actually have a 2-unit one by Pioneer, and I'll put that in my Amazon links down below. I highly suggest those. They're just great for heating, really affordable, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So the other one, like I said, is going in the bedroom, and I'm actually gonna take you guys right into there right now. Here we go into the bedroom. We decided to make this doorway a little bigger, and that way it could fit the vanity, the bathroom vanity, through this doorway, as well as all of the furniture in this space. And so that was something that we changed from the previous house plan. And we also changed the windows in here. We decided that there will be a queen size bed in here, so we custom made these windows to be equally to the side of the bed. So there will be cute little nightstands, and I don't believe these windows open, so It's just to add a little bit more natural light into this space, since this window over here was going to be the only natural light in the space. So it's going to be a very tight room, but perfect. We also took into consideration making sure that the doorway didn't hit the queen size bed, and that worked out absolutely perfect. Now, I have seen these house plans differ house plan by house plan, but something we decided to do was sort of like a Jack and Jill side closet, but instead we're making it into like a built-in look. So I think we're gonna go with like a sage green look. This whole house is gonna be white with accents of green, my favorite color, and we also wanna find ways to where the homes flow together really nicely so they don't feel like two different styles. But obviously, since we built our home 6 years ago, a lot of things I would like to change. So those things are happening in here, but they're gonna flow really nicely together, if that makes sense. We also have this space up above. So the bathroom is gonna be 10 feet of the ceiling. And so we're gonna have this beautiful attic space, which is absolutely great. I have so many cool things in mind for this bathroom in here. And we're gonna have a swinging indoor. So it's gonna hit right here, and we have phenomenal lighting in this space. Same with this bedroom over here. And I ordered everything from shades of light, really excited about it. I've got a green vanity picked out, and it's going to be a 48-inch vanity with a single sink. So plenty of room for, countertop makeup and soaps and cute little decorative things. And then we have the toilet going right here, and then this whole space over here is going to be a walk-in shower. So we're going to tile it, and if you are building a home that's going to be a guest suite, a mother-in-law suite, an in-law suite, I highly suggest staying away from the tubs and doing a walk-in shower, because as people age, you want something that's going to be safe for people. And I think that a lot of 911 calls are from people slipping in the shower and bath, and so this is something that could really, really help with that. So highly suggest that. We're gonna do a wall right here, and there's going to be like a built-in right here so that you don't see the clutter of your shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash. And we've got a cute little system, a shower system coming in a black mat. So there's gonna be lots of gold accents, a black mat, and it's gonna flow really nicely. I'm very excited. I'm actually gonna take you guys into the living room again, and I'm gonna share with you guys one last thing before we wrap up today's tour. I wanna talk with you guys about the dormer. This is something that's gonna bring in so much natural light. I'm so excited. This is something that really makes it flow with our current house, with our current dormers, and it really brings in that cozy effect. And another thing I forgot to mention is we are elevated very high off of the ground. We're really excited. This space now has a mountain view from where the cameraman is right now, which is pretty exciting. Our neighbors just cut down all of their trees, and so not only will this home get a view, but our party barn will get a view. So really excited. It's going to be such a gorgeous home. I can't wait to take you guys along the journey of this tiny home build. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye.